What is the process for digitally signing documents provided by my partner organization as a contractor? There are two methods to access documents designated for e-signing. The first method involves navigating to your dashboard, where a notification appears in the Reminders section prompting you to sign an agreement. Clicking on this notification directs you to a page listing all the documents available for digital signature. To review the document, click on the eye icon. This will open a detailed window displaying all necessary information about the agreement that requires your digital signature. If you wish to digitally sign the document, click on the pencil icon. Please enter the required details as specified by your partner organization to initiate the signing process. Click Start, and the system will guide you to the fields that need your input. Typically, agreements conclude with a final signature, usually placed at the document's end. By clicking on the signature box, you will be prompted to choose the typography for your initials or signature. Once your signature is confirmed, click on Sign to save the changes, thus completing the digital signing process within the TFY system. Now, the other way to navigate to the document signing page is via the Overview option located in the topmost menu bar. If you click on that, you should select the To Be Signed by Me option. Once you do that, you are again taken to the page which lists all the documents which require you to be signing within the TFY system, and the workflow after that is the same as we had described earlier. Hope this was useful. Thanks a lot.